In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Adobe PDF.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we need to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Okay. And then close this. Open a browser that you have on your Windows. And in the search bar, simply type for the DLL missing or DLL missing file and click on our put download. Hit enter. Click on it. Scroll down. And in here you'll find for the architecture of your Windows, simply click the download button. You simply click on the first option. And wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then make a right click and then you have to select extract all. Click on extract and then copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. And then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Scroll down to the S section. So here you'll find the System32 and the SYS WoW 64. So if you're a 64-bit system type of Windows, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. So we are a 64-bit, so we need to go to System32. Right click and then paste it and click on continue. Now once done, close it and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that we can do is to again open a browser. In the search bar, simply type Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on it from learn.microsoft.com. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a link that corresponds to the system type of your Windows. Earlier, we have known that we are 64-bit, so click on the download link and then simply install the Visual C++ redistributable on your Windows. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.